Braso.
Hi Ta, happy birthday from all the way to Canada.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So you can see we were back in the hotel. We booked a hotel to celebrate the birthday of my Beshi. We thank you for the effort for setting up the room for my friend. Thank you very much Ate Maureen, and shout out to Staybridge again for giving us this wonderful service. So we're in the same hotel like before, so we booked again here in Staybridge. So as you can see guys, mapapansin nyo na madalas kaming mag-celebrate ng special occasions sa hotel. It's because we normally live in a sharing place, so we don't have enough space sa bahay para i-celebrate yung mga gantong occasion. Kaya nagde-decide na lang kami na mag-book ng hotel para we have enough space to celebrate and to be comfortable. And one of our favorite nga na pinag-check-inan is yung Staybridge kasi accessible siya. There's a place to cook, malawak and perfect for any kinds of occasion. So let's go and join me celebrate Beshi's birthday celebration.
Gagawin mo na ba yung setup? Okay, so ito yung, how do you call that?
This is what we prepared yesterday night.
Yeah. Dahilig ko parang may uling.
Ba't ganun? We have this one from yesterday. We prepared this, so here we will just cook. This is our for fried chicken.
Ito na lang, kabit ko dito. Tinanong mo sila Tito Tex? Tito Tex?
Uy, talagang bare face ako dito and I don't have makeup.
Okay na yun.
I don't have makeup on right now, and later I'll be having a full glam look because this is my cooking outfit. Yung pangano namin, beef stroganoff or fried chicken. So we already prepared it last night before we sleep, so we will have lot of time here cooking. One more menu there. It's pork, but we're going to cook that later on. Yeah, once our special guests arrive. We're going to make
Beshi, this is fine na ba?
What is this? We're going to make
Itabi mo na, Day.
shrimp, buttered shrimp for our buttered shrimp
Yes.
later on. So I just prepared yesterday
Put it on
night,
the
so
side.
now we can just just like cook here. And we even cut the garlic and onions already.
Yes.
So ano unahin natin, Day?
Day, lumpia.
Ayaw.
Kasi I need to wrap it talaga.
Okay, so we're going to prepare first our lumpiang
Ako
tofu.
na mag-isa. It's not the typical type of the...
Braso. And we're going to make charcuterie. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
Charcuterie or
Secretary.
charcuterie, like I'll show it later on so you'll know what's that.
Yes.
And let me know who knows how to proper pronounce the charcuterie
And what else needs to
and what
improve with
else
that?
needs to improve on my language. What's your language?
Beshi,
So, inuna ko nang lutuin yung spaghetti. So, we're going to cook a Filipino-style spaghetti. Dito na kami nagluto sa hotel. Namalengke na lang kami and we bring everything to the hotel kasi, as I said, meron naman lutuan dito at nakakapagluto naman kami ng mas maayos. And also to save time na rin. As kompleto din sila. Kompleto. Then, they're also complete of everything that you need. Sa panluto, like they have may kaldero sila. They have everything actually. Kaya mas pinipili na lang namin magluto sa hotel para hindi na rin kami magbitbit. Actually, bukod sa spaghetti, meron pa kaming ibang niluto pero hindi ko na na-videohan kasi memory full na yung phone ko. So, fast forward na lang. So, luto na pala yung spaghetti ko dyan. Binudburan ko lang yan ng cheese. Tas, ayan na, luto na ang aming handa. So, meron kaming kutsinta, puto, we cooked lumpiang toge as well, and the beef stroganoff. We also have fried chicken, and meron kaming sasawan, and of course, the charcuterie. Sorry if I pronounced that so wrong. I don't really know how to pronounce it. But ayan, mix siya ng cheese, biscuits, and everything. Happy birthday to you. Ni Sultan.
Kat na ako dahil kumain ka na dahil.
Guys, manda yung glutalite mo ko dahil.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
Hello, Els! Ayun, happy birthday! Nawa ay maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. At ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana matupad na lahat ng mga wishes mo, mga gusto mo pang mangyari sa buhay mo. And good health lagi, okay? Keep safe and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita Elsa! Tita Elsa! Happy birthday, Tita Elsa! Happy birthday, Tita Elsa! Happy birthday, Tita Elsa! Kik, kik.
Enjoy your day and your holidays. Enjoy lang kayo sa hotel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ito ang mahal ko sa buhay. Kapatid. Kaibigan.
Simutan niyo.
Kuya Dek.
Andiyan si Stick yun.
Si ate Eli mo. Kuya Nadal.
Andiyan si Stick yun.
Ito text mo. Tatlo. Happy birthday uli. Hi, hi.
Ay! Hello, Elsa. Happy birthday, Elsa na. More blessing. Tsaka magandang kalusugan lagi. Blessing din sa mga trabaho mong nakakamtan ngayon. Alam ko lagi kang masaya dahil yung mga work mo ay natutupad na. Happy rin ako sa iyo. Pati na rin kay Ace, sa inyong dalawa ni Ace. Kasi alam ko na bukas naman ay anniversary ninyo. Natutuwa din ako dahil nakaka 6 years na kayong dalawa. Hindi ko kayo nakakita ng parang mga problema na nalulusutan nyo. Dahil nakikita ko lagi kayong walang sa inyo na dull moment. Lagi kayong masayang dalawa. Nakakatuwa kayong pagmasdan. Kahit na ako'y naandyan, nakikita ko kayong dalawa. Kahit na andito, nasisiyahan ako dahil ganun kayong magpakita ng pagmamahalan sa inyong dalawa. Tuwan-tuwa ako doon. At nakikita ko na para ba kayong mga estudyante pa rin noon na
Hi Ta, happy birthday from all the way to Canada to Dubai. Wish ko lang sa'yo this birthday is sana more career success. Charit. And sana magkabibi na kayo ni Ace para meron naman kaming pamangkin from your side, di ba? And stay humble as you are. I miss you.
Tita, happy birthday na birthday pa. Wish you always good health. I love you, ta. I miss you. More money. Happy birthday. Sumaki kuya ko diba sa luwas. Ayaw kaibanan. Mag-greetings para sa birthday mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, ta. Lagi ka mag-ingat dyan.
Kaya nga.
Love na love ka namin.
Kaya lima.
Pahingi lima. Charot. Happy birthday and mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Charot.
Hi sis, happy birthday Tita Elsa. I hope you had a wonderful day and enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. And naway maging healthy po kayo ni Tito Ace. More blessings to come and ingat po kayo always. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Elsa! Woo! Happy na palagi! We love you! Yes, and padala mo kami 1K.
Happy birthday, Say. Bunso, happy birthday.
Sa happiest birthday, wish ko sa'yo is maging happy ka lagi kasi deserve na deserve mo yan sa pagiging mabait na kaibigan sa amin at pagiging bait na asawa kay Ace. I always pray to God na madami pang blessings na dumating sa'yo, sa inyo ni Ace kasi blessings kayo sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo. Yun lang. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Alam mo yan. Charot lagi. As in miss. Miss na miss. And happy wedding anniversary sa inyo ni Ace. Bye-bye.
Miss Elsa, thank you for the invite. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience that we may have caused. I know that this is not the true representation that Intercontinental that we usually portray.
GM at the guest.
Joke lang. GM met the guest. GM will meet the guest on Monday when she's back at work.
Balik ka naman Monday.
Sige, ibigay niyo sa akin lahat.
Happy birthday, Elsa.
Kapungka Thailand. Very coffee.
Tigaduwa.
Thank you for the food. Nice. Stay pretty.
Ganda.
Happy birthday. May you have many more, and may you have many candles to blow. You deserve all the best things in life because you deserve it. That's all.
That's all.
Thank you guys for coming in to my life.
Someone here inside, someone throw her hands down.
And I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. More than what you made of me.
Tagilid ba yan, ha?
You gave to me.
30% ay nakikita niya.
Now I'm gonna fall.
Wala. Natakot ako.
But I'll be moving on. If you don't, if you want,
Yung ugat.
listen.
the review, ha?
So, yun lang guys. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoy. And actually, mahaba pa tong video and I will make a part 2 for this video. Thank you very much and see you in part 2.